In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Ticketmaster tickets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your tickets, see your seat details, and check your order and delivery status with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar or search box, type Ticketmaster. You'll likely see a mix of ads and results, so take a second to choose the official Ticketmaster site. Look for the recognizable branding and the correct domain, and avoid lookalike sites. When in doubt, the secure padlock icon next to the address can help confirm you're in the right place. Once you're on the homepage, head to the top right and sign in. If you already see your name there, you're good to go. Otherwise, click sign in and enter your account email and password. If you're prompted for a verification code, just follow the on-screen steps. And if you've forgotten your password, use the password reset option so you can get back in safely. After signing in, move your cursor to the top right where your name or profile icon appears, then click My Account. On a smaller screen, this might be tucked behind a menu icon, so open the menu first if needed. My Account is the hub where all your purchases and tickets are organized. On the left-hand side of the account page, you'll see navigation options. Select My Tickets if you want to quickly view upcoming events that are tied to your account. This is often the fastest route to tickets that are ready to display. If you're looking for a specific purchase or want a complete record, choose Order History. This section lists all your orders, including past events, and is useful when you need more detailed information. From either My Tickets or Order History, click into the specific event order you want to review. Here's where everything comes together. You'll see your seat numbers if they apply, a clear receipt or price breakdown showing what you paid, and the delivery status of your tickets. Delivery status tells you whether your tickets are ready to view, being processed, or will be released closer to the event date. Some events are mobile only, which means your tickets will live in your account or app and won't appear as printable PDFs. If you don't see an event, double-check that you're signed into the same email used to purchase, and consider any regional versions of the site. And that's it. By searching for the official site, signing in, opening My Account, and going to My Tickets or Order History, you can open your event order and confidently view your seat numbers, receipt details, and ticket delivery status.